as we draw closer and closer to what promises to be an exciting Red Stripe Premier League playoff round, I want to reignite the young local players debate this evening in the context of the national senior team and beyond. And I'm not attacking the usual suspects like the JFF or the coach or even the bad playing surfaces. Instead, I want to implore the young local based players to deliver on their end of the bargain and show more pride in their personal development. The local ballers must take some of the blame for how they've been treated in recent years, failing to do all that they have to do to make themselves into better players. Overall, they must put in the work, improve their fitness, work on their technical skills, spend more time on the training ground, practice more of the basics such as shooting, heading, the off-the-ball movements, practice more set pieces, free kicks, corners, even penalties. Work on your strengths as well as your weaknesses. And very importantly, you have to improve on your attitude and on your professionalism. I mean, people like me and others in media can run up remote all we want, begging for local players and begging for young players and blah, blah, blah. But if you, as the ballers, don't have the self-belief and the confidence and the desire to translate that into the willingness to go the extra mile and put in the work, then all the advocacy and all the talking will come to zero. So all local ballers, young local ballers, want to remember this. We can carry the donkey, go to the water, but we cannot force him to drink. You see what I mean? You see what I mean?